For glowing skin, you don't have to put bronzers and highlighter. Just follow these glow getting tips to bring out your skin's natural radiance. Keep your skin smooth and clear to help maintain your skin glow. Use a skin polishing scrub. You can go for the store-bought exfoliant, or you can make your own polishing exfoliating scrub by combining 1 teaspoon of rice powder or coffee powder with milk. So use this exfoliant twice or thrice in a week. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and debris trapped in your facial pores. It fades tan, hides all the signs of dryness, and provides a smooth skin glow. A regular facial massage is the key to luminous face. Facial massage stimulates blood flow, improves circulation, flush excess fluids, relaxes muscles, tones, softens wrinkles, and makes skin glow. So before starting your facial massage, apply your favorite oil. Applying a bit of oil helps your fingers move smoothly across your face rather than dragging on your skin. So using wide circular strokes, massage along the sides of your jaw, past the corners of your mouth, next to your nostrils, and over your cheekbones. Do it for 2 minutes. You will see great improvements within a week. Your skin will look naturally youthful, healthy, and super glowy. Use oils like jojoba oil, coconut oil, olive oil, sea buckthorn oil. These oils has the ability to restore and rejuvenate damaged skin. Especially coconut oil has excellent antioxidant properties that helps to destroy free radicals. It can also even out your skin tone, giving it a more healthy looking texture and a natural healthy glow. This Korean-inspired beauty buy essentially provides moisture trap and encourage the serum to soak deeper into your skin, thus leaving skin plump, supple, and super glowing. You can use the store-bought sheet mask, or you can make your own by soaking a sheet mask with your favorite essence toner. Leave them on for 20 minutes max, enough to deliver key ingredients for making skin soft, supple, and glowing. Did you know that rubbing an ice cube relaxes millions of cells in your cheeks, causing an increase in circulation and resulting in plumper, rosy glowing skin? This is a great and instant glow fix. It rejuvenates skin, help you get rid of blemishes, pimples, and dull, tired skin. Adding some rose water, green tea, or milk will give you much better results. Get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals to enhance your complexion and give you that flawless, gorgeous glow. So increase the intake of foods that is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and zinc. So include all these vitamins and minerals for glowing skin. And also, if you want to make your skin glow naturally, get some beauty sleep, because sleep affects your physical and mental well-being. When you sleep, you're allowing your body to begin the proper healing process. Also, make sure to drink sufficient water and do at least 20 to 30 minutes exercise. You can do cardio or yoga. So these are the 6 super effective ways you can make your skin glow naturally. So I hope you found this video